16 divided 4 parenthesis 2 plus 2. What is the answer? Many are marking 1 as the answer, but let me tell you, 1 is not the correct answer. If you want to solve it, pause the video and let me know your answer in the comment section. So as per order of operation, we first solve parenthesis, then comes exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So as per this, we first solve parenthesis, so it will be 16 divided 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Once you have solved the operation, we need to remove this bracket. When we remove the bracket and here we have no sign, it means here we have multiplication. So we write 4 times 4. Now after parenthesis there is no exponent, so you need to do multiplication. That means 16 divided 4 times 4 is 16. This gives us 16 divided by 16. 1 is the answer, but 1 is not the correct answer. Why? Now let me explain. What if you don't follow PEMDAS but PEMDAS, which is the same order of operation rule, parenthesis, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. If you follow PEMDAS, then as per this order you need to do division first, then it will be 16 divided by 4, that is 4, then 4 times 4, this gives us 16. So which order is correct, PEMDAS or PEMDAS? Also there is another point where students make the mistake is when they write this 4 as 4 parenthesis then 4 like this, and then they consider this bracket as an operation and then they perform the operation of parenthesis before division or multiplication because it has precedence over all other operations. But remember that writing in this way doesn't mean that this is an operation, it's just a way of writing multiplication. So don't confuse it with this, because many calculators do the mistake of considering this bracket as an operation. Unless and until there is another number or symbol inside the bracket, it's not an operation, it's just a way of writing multiplication. Now here in PEMDAS or PEMDAS, whenever it comes to division or multiplication, remember that they have equal precedence because they are reciprocal actions. We cannot give priority to any of these over another. For example, if you have 4 divided 2, you can also write it as 4 multiplied to 1 upon 2. So you can see that division is nothing but reciprocal of multiplication. Same goes for multiplication also. That's why they are reciprocal action and they have equal priority. To solve the issue of which operation to be done first, what we do, we solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. Now here in this question you say we have 16 divided 4 times 4. Now going from left to right, we have division first. So either you follow PEMDAS or PEMDAS. Going from left to right, you have division first, so you will be doing division first. So it is 16 divided by 4 is 4, then 4 times 4 is 16. So 16 will be the correct answer. In PEMDAS, we were already getting 16 as our answer because by coincidence, in this question we have division first from left to right, and in PEMDAS the order says division first. So it's not that PEMDAS is the correct rule and PEMDAS is the wrong rule, just that you have to follow left to right rule, whichever comes first. Now this left to right rule only works for multiplication division. Whenever it is a choice between addition multiplication or division subtraction, these will always have precedence. Division multiplication will always have precedence over addition or subtraction. If you have addition or subtraction here, this will always come at the end. You cannot say that from left to right, let's say addition is given here. So you cannot say from left to right we have addition first, so you will do addition first. No, the choice of left to right is between division and multiplication only. So 16 will be the correct answer. Thanks for watching.